Movement in a lawsuit against the OU Board of Regents.
NonDoc sued the board after the board refused to provide documents on investigations into alleged financial and sexual misconduct involving the public university and its former president, David Boren.
News 4's Adria Goins was at a hearing in the case today, and she joins us with the new information.
This lawsuit has been ongoing for about 5 years now, and Tuesday's hearing is one step closer to an outcome. Cleveland County Judge Michael Tepper ruled that he will review documents in this case in private to determine which ones are relevant in court.
I learned journalism at the University of Oklahoma. Never in my wildest dreams did I think I would be a plaintiff seeking public records from them.
NonDoc Editor-in-Chief Trey Savage now fighting for transparency from his alma mater.
We're talking about significant financial misconduct and significant alleged sexual misconduct.
He filed a lawsuit claiming information uncovered during investigations into the university and former President David Boren should be made public. Savage says it violates the Open Records Act.
What is the standard by which a public body can claim an exemption to the Open Records Act? Can they simply hire a private attorney and write confidential at the top of a document, and thus it's, not available for public disclosure or knowledge?
Attorneys for OU Board of Regents saying in court those documents are confidential and exempt from the law. The judge ruling the board members now have 30 days to hire attorneys and 60 days after that to notify witnesses whose statements are included in reports in this case that those documents will be given to the judge. The hearing revealing there's more than 60 witnesses, one of them, Jess Eddy, a former teacher's assistant for Boren and the first victim to go public.
Justice is big. We all have a right to know what happened at OU with our tax dollars at our flagship public institution for a long time.
I reached out to the OU Board of Regents for comment on the judge's decision, saying it's not the practice of the university to comment on pending litigation. Adria Goins, Oklahoma's News 4.
All right, Adrian, thank you. Judge Tepper will start reviewing those statements and documents once that 90-day period is up.